In this video today we will see how to use content aware fill tool in Photoshop to remove an object from a picture. In this example I have a picture of a scenery and there is a piece of wood which is here, and if I want to remove the wood from the scene, then what I will do is I will select the wood. After that I will go to this option edit, fill, and I will use this option content aware and then OK. Now you can see that the wood is removed from the picture. So what happens is Photoshop will select the pixels which is around the image and it will apply it on the top of the object that we are going to remove. So you can see the object is removed. I have another image here, and suppose if I want to remove this logo, I will again select the logo, edit, fill, and then use this option content aware. Opacity is set to 100%. Okay, and you can see there is still a small line here. I will select it, edit, fill, okay, and you can see the logo is removed. So in this way you can use the content aware tool in Photoshop to remove unwanted object from an image.